Big buckets in my fucking bezel, nigga. Look at that nigga, baguettes all in the face. This is how I'm feeling. Ice tray box. You know what I'm saying?